let them leave their post.
Let's settle down more engagements in the efforts. Today, we are welcoming our Honorable Minister of FCT to Gwagwalada Council on the issue of insecurity we have in Nigeria, which is a national problem. It's not the only problem of Gwagwalada Area Council. We know he has the concern of people of FCT. That is why he's going around the whole area council to talk to the village heads and also the stakeholders of all the communities we have in FCT on the issue of insecurity. I can say from January last year to December, in fact, we here in Gwagwalada will have at least a sustainable living. We don't have much issues. This issue of kidnapping. I believe the security agencies we have in Gwagwalada can testify to that. Actually, we know we were having before, but with the synergy and cooperation the security agencies are giving us in Gwagwalada Area Council, I think we don't have much problem on the issue of insecurity. For that, I want to commend the security agencies we have in Gwagwalada Area Council, from Army, the police, civil defense, and other security agencies. In fact, we are very, very, very happy with what they are doing to us here in Gwagwalada Area Council. I don't want to take much of your time. Mr. Minister, sir, I believe we are here to hear the complaints we have in Gwagwalada. We have some undeveloped structures in Gwagwalada Area Council in which I, the executive chairman of Gwagwalada, will write to your office for approval, at least because this is the area most of the criminals will hide, and in the night they come out to do what they're not supposed to do. So I will write to your office for approval so that we can deploy most of these areas, because if you leave these structures uncompleted, I believe, and we all know that is the areas those criminals will hide and do a wonderful thing to us. Secondly, our second request here, we need more police division in Gwagwalada Area Council. We have only 2 police divisions in Gwagwalada Area Council. We have division in Zuba, we have division in Gwagwalada Area Council, Gwagwalada here. I don't know, we write to you, and I know if you write to you, at least order the Commissioner of Police to give us more police division in order for them to at least do a very wonderful work to us. The proposed area we want these divisions, one should be they will have a boundary between the FCT and Niger. Those areas are the dangerous areas to us. If it to be allowed, we want this division to be in Dobi, so that they can take from Dobi to Nyesom, where the criminals will come in to FCT. I believe if division is there, there will be proper checkup. Also, for the influence of people in Gwagwalada Council, if you can at least give us one here in Gire village, we'll be very grateful, because that is the area. The criminals are doing a wonderful thing to us. I believe last year we met with the security agencies, both the army and police and other security agencies. The report we received on this highway from Gwagwalada to Zuba, in fact, was not interesting. But the issue of kidnapping in Gwagwalada is fair. But I don't know if I can add more. Even if I cannot add more, these two divisions is given to us. In Gwagwalada here, in fact, all of us will be happy. And it will reduce all these criminals. Mr. Honorable Minister, I just want to welcome you and tell you the problem we are facing in Gwagwalada Council. Thank you for coming, and I wish you safe journey back to your destination. Thank you very much.
It's already said all. That's what I have in my mind. It's already say it. I just have to say, to appreciate you for this step you took in the FCT to make sure that security intact in the FCT. What I had to add with what Chairman said about the police, sincerely speaking, I don't want to repeat. Our police, army, civil defense, as he mentioned, they try for us, sincerely speaking. And what I want to add is that Gwagwalada people, they are always tripping every blessing day. But as Chairman said, we have just one divisional police in Gwagwalada, which even Gwagwalada alone, we know we should be when we are in mission. Now, Gwagwalada township alone, we need to have divisional A and B. Honorable Minister, if I say something, I hope the Commissioner of Police is here. Gwagwalada Divisional Police just have one single patrol vehicle. One single patrol vehicle. Which that vehicle, assuming you have someone have a good bicycle, go to a HDP church and come back. The person that have that bicycle go and come back before that police. No, that's the thing. So, the Honorable Minister, because of the time, I have some two things I want to raise to you. One, we have a teaching hospital in Gwagwalada, and the whole Nigeria, anywhere that's a teaching hospital, there must two double lane because of an emergency. Here we just have one single lane. Number two, the whole area council have a 6-area council, other 5-area council. They have a general hospital. We here in Gwagwalada wouldn't have, because the project is a abandoned project. So please, that the 3-2, I say I will add with what the chairman said. What the thing what chairman said is very correct. Issue of security in Gwagwalada is less. So I want to say thank you, Minister. Almighty Allah bless you. Thank you.
Distinguished senators, the chairman, and other traditional rulers that are here, heads of security agencies that are here, our dear leaders, and our dear women, our dear youth. I want to appeal to you for easy communication. I would prefer to use the language all of us will try to understand. So not too much English. I will speak in what we call pidgin English. And I hear what I talk. Now, what do you make me come here today? Now, the president, where they rule Nigeria, now time he say, make I go see all the area councils. The other day, I there for Buhari. Today, I there for Gwagwalada. Next week, I go Abuja and I'll go Kwale. And I don't hear what the chairman talk. The thing where chairman talk, I agree with him. And I don't hear what in our traditional ruler talk. The thing where he talk, I agree with him. Security. Now, one thing where President talk say, he go give Nigerians, because in job now to make sure say him protect lives and property. If we not feel protect life, if we not feel protect our property, then we waiting for government, it don't get meaning. So one big thing where President saying go do, now to give her the confidence say, in no go abandon her now. He go make sure say, all these criminals, made them there ready, their time don't come. I know say, if I talk so I go do something, I go do them. If I say I go do something, I go do it. And as I don't come here today, if you don't say you be one of the people where they give information to these criminals, if you don't say it be one of the criminals too, your time don't reach. Your time don't do anything, it don't reach. Me and the security agencies, we will follow on so I'm not going near Gwagwalada again. The person where they represent CP, where they here, where in the here. Now make you go tell CP, make him work out how we can provide 2 more police stations for Gwagwalada. Make it not do it like saying a normal government job or this one now quick we go do it. I know therefore say today bring 5, the other day bring 5. This one now security matter. You hear what I tell you? The traditional talk say the police station where they not get able to. Make a tell now. President don't give me power. Make I buy plenty motor, plenty. As I speak to her, before next week, every police station wait there for the 6 area councils will give for them more vehicles. We will also give for them other communication gadgets. One I will take the work to make sure say these people will not give them chances again. The security agencies, President don't direct them say, no one hear any story again about this kidnapping. Whether na Gwagwalada, whether na Buhari, whether na the FCT itself, whether na Abuja, whether na Abuja, anywhere where it dey, no one hear them again. And the security agencies don't promise say them go do their work, because we don't tell them say anything what they want, we go give them. I thank God, all of them follow me come here. They know what to they talk. They're very, very serious. We need to play. But we too, we need support from honor. This work, security agencies no go fit do them alone if we not give them support. Traditional rulers, our youths, more gonna give them support as soon as they give them. They need information. When you give them information, they go work. Now I work from here. Now I know how the place be. So now I go tell them, see, it be like say the people who they see like this, you know, be better people. And I go see say, as I give them that information, they go come immediately, make sure say nothing happen to them. You know, good every time with the class said they don't kidnap. Make we not allow it to happen again. And I go give us support. What other people I will give us support? Yes. My agreement we don't reach now. Yes. It is agreement to as who talk so we will do on our own, not gonna do on our own. So we they happy. Say all of us don't agree, so we will work together to make sure say these criminals they never see Gwagwalada again. They never see all the other area councils again. We will work together. Now, here where President tell me, say, may I can't tell her now. Say, the one what don't happen, it don't happen. We're not going to agree anyone to happen again. Even the one, I'm going to also tell her now, it's no good when something happen, and I go radio, so I go contribute to money. That's the one that they talk, or they encourage the criminals. Because when I go talk like that, they go say, hey, money they come. We know say it depend on her. Say they catch your pikin, they catch your husband, they catch your wife. I know. But you know good. Not good they go because all these wayo people, they listen to radio. All these criminals, they listen to radio. They go to say, hey, as we hold the pikin now, people want bring money. And when they know that one, they will continue. So more gonna need to do that kind of thing. And I hear what they talk. More gonna need to do that one at all. Make we need to go to give them support. They think some money day, and they will continue. You know good. Security people know what they will do. They know. And they know say, you know say some of the agents they feel they here. More gonna day. Nothing I go fit do again. Because if I know what to with Sabina, I no go try them again. Some of our people where they give us the information, we don't catch them. So if they never catch you, no means they will catch you tomorrow. Or even before we come out here now, they will catch you. So at the time now, as all of us come out like this, Chairman, make you no wait. Today na Friday, Monday, bring the letter. Just be the way say they are uncompleted. Now me I they do for Abuja there. When I see uncompleted building, I they bring them down. Because how you go keep building 10 years, 20 years, you not go feel complete them. Those criminals they go there they hide. So bring the letter quick. No do like civil servant. Just bring the letter on Monday. I will give approval. I will send people, make them demolish them. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. If we never demolish them, we will give them turner. We're gonna complete the building. Give people whenever get a house, make them live. Not be so. Not be so. Government job, not to make her happy. No, be up. So now he will pay this man one terror. Anyone and what we're gonna tell us, we go do them. Thank you. God bless them.
I see the sweet us, he depend them. I see the pen them.
When they have made them do another and don't be so. But you know, say plenty property go come out to. You know, say if it's not good to another now, and I get stores, and I agree support us, those stores go come out to, and I go agree. Okay, we'll come to her for now. Thank you.
Please, write him a letter. Complaints, he will take them to the minister. Chief Nyesom Wike is Honorable Minister. I did promise you the right honorable.
You have done it before. He has requested. Is the support is an evidence of your support for the government of Honorable Abuja Giri, who is the chairman of Gwagwalada Council. Continue to give us the support. The minister who has promised to deliver.
Here with you this afternoon. May we please rise for the national anthem. Let's be upstanding while the minister.